Hi everyone. This video will walk through how to increase Purge Manager threads. First, let's talk a little about the Purge process. The Purge Manager is responsible for the removal of logs, processed documents, components, and temporary data. It runs every hour at the 40-minute mark. You can set the Purge history to a specific number of days following process executions with the system property Purge History after X days. This is seen here on the Add-in Properties Basic tab. The number of days is calculated based on the time that a file was most recently modified. The default value is 30 days, and a value of 0 will disable purging. The Purge Manager task is important for proper management of the runtime. Checking the Purge Manager thread value and other purge settings is required for healthy operation of the runtime. By default, the purging process uses a single thread when purging logs and data for an atom, molecule, or atom cloud. If you are processing large amounts of data, single-threaded purging can take a long time. To take advantage of multi-threaded purging, you can set the number of threads to a value greater than 1. You can check to see if your purge is completing during the hourly purge schedule by checking the container logs. Let's look at some sample logs of a purge that is not completing during the hourly schedule. We are going to search the logs for Purge Manager, all one word. Here we can see the purge is running at 12:40 a.m. with 1 thread. The next scheduled purge is 1:40 a.m. Here we can see that it is not running a new purge since tasks are currently running. This is evident from the prior messages, Atom Purge, all data still waiting. This shows that the purge is not able to keep up. You can increase the Purge Manager thread value to assign more threads to the cleanup of the purge data. To do this, you will add the system property, Purge Manager Threads. To do this, click on the Advanced tab. In the drop-down, scroll down to Purge Manager Threads. Click Add Property, and then you are able to enter a value. In this case, we are going to put 5. You can click Save, and we will be prompted for a restart of the runtime. Once the restart is complete, you can monitor the Purge Manager and see if the purge is completing in the hour. If not, you may need to adjust the value to a higher number and continue to monitor. You can also choose to start with a lower value such as 2 and test and repeat until you achieve a balance between performance and load based on the period of time it takes your runtime to catch up. It is also good to note that as your runtime does catch up, it will require more resources of your system. And that's how to increase Purge Manager threads for your runtime.